this video, we will show you how to making taskbar on Windows 11 in transparent mode. First, you can open Microsoft Store. Then, on search bar, find the Translucent TV. You can see this application. Just click. After that, you can install by clicking Get First. Then click Install in here. You can also find this application. We put link into the description. Now you can click Launch. And then click Yes. Now, if you see here, your taskbar is transparent now. There is no background. Like Apple, it's very beautiful. That's our tutorial how to make Windows 11 taskbar is transparent mode.